Hello, this is Tom from Tile Landscaping, and today we're working on another yard drain. As you can see, this home gets a lot of water. They're lower than the properties on two sides, and they have this hill in the back that brings storm water right against the house. The customer tried to fix this problem in the back, but the pipe to the street is completely clogged. Since they have an existing pipe running to the street, it can be replaced. We'll be installing about 200 feet of new drain pipe with 18 inlets to pick up the runoff and take it to the street. So give us a call if you have standing water or a wet spot in your yard. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Andy here. Hope you liked our video. Thanks for watching.